2012 GMC Yukon Denali 6.2 liter V8 beast. Got factory converters there and there. Wise into a single. Got a secondary converter or third converter. Flex pipe, and then what we got on it, the customer brought his own. It's American Thunder right there, 38-inch long one. It's made by High Flow Performance, so if you guys want to look them up, there it is. It's guaranteed not to drone. That's their guarantee. That's why it has all those ridges in it. And on the inside, you'll see it. I'll send you guys out. We took a picture of the inside. We'll put it on there. Then he left the resonator on it right there. There's a 3-inch pipe out the back. There's the massive muffler we cut off right there. Sweet Thunder or American Thunder, wasn't it? Sweet Thunder or American Thunder? Sweet Thunder. It's called Sweet Thunder. We'll see if we can find you guys a link in the description. GMC Yukon XL with a Sweet Thunder. Remember guys, it's got the resonator on it too. There's sound decibels. Right at 104. You like it or you want it louder? He goes, definitely not louder. His wife's gonna kill him. Is that the wife's car?
No, it's my car.
Okay. Sweet Thunder. I like it. It sounds pretty good. It's not raspy at all. You can just really hear the engine. Let you guys hear on the inside. '09 Yukon Denali XL 6.2 liter beast. What we got done on it, got factory converters there and there. Then it wise into a single. He's gonna bring it back. We're gonna do true duals after he puts a cam in it into 10-inch tips, believe it or not guys, so stay tuned. Anyways, let us know what you guys think about that. Should he do it or should he not? We did a muffler delete on it, 3-inch, right there. Then it's got a 3.5-inch tailpipe. Still got the factory resonator. He didn't want the rasp. He wanted the sound without the rasp. I don't blame him. Into a 5-inch roll tip. We'll have a link in the description for that tip for you guys. And like always, guys, please subscribe and like and comment, because that's what keeps us going and keeps the videos coming. So again, hope you guys like it. Let us know what you guys think. Much better. Oh, you can't. Straight pipe Yukon, baby. Sound decibels, again. Right at 108. Not bad at all. Oh, it peaked at 110 when you raised it a little bit more. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds so good. What do you guys think? Let us know. I think it sounds phenomenal. Let you guys hear it on the inside. GMC Yukon beast. Family car that needs sound. That's what I like. If it was up to me, I'd make everything loud. Because why not? There you go. Oh, that's awesome. This sounds really good. GMC Yukon Denali 6.2 liter beast. Really nice truck. One that I always liked. I always loved the look of them. Got factory converters there, wise into a single there, and it's got no third cat. Huh? That's surprising. Okay. Then Flowmaster Outlaw 815430. There'll be a link in the description for it. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. I don't know the length. 17 inches long. And then it's got 3.5-inch tailpipe out the end. And what we put on it is a 5-inch black tip, as you guys can see right there. Rolled. And there's the muffler and resonator and tailpipe we cut off. So, before, after. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. It's such a beautiful motor, you know? I love it. There's sound decibels. 109. Perfect. Go ahead and back it out. Deepness. Let you guys hear it on the inside. GMC Yukon 2008 6.2 liter Flowmaster Outlaw, 5-inch tip, resonator delete, muffler delete, and replaced with a Flowmaster Outlaw. Sounds so good, it's so deep. I love it. Hope you guys like it. 2018 Chevy Tahoe RST 6.2 liter V8 Beast. Really beautiful truck. Oh, I love this the older body style than the new one, to be honest with you guys. Anyways, it's got factory converters there and there. Then it's got the dreaded third cat everyone hates right there. Then what we did is put some Black Widow, BW0010C, center, Black Widow race venoms right there. Added a 3-inch pipe to connect it. Then reuse his tailpipe and put him a dual tip out the side, because that's what he wanted. So we do what he wants. We always do what the customer wants, right there. As you guys can see, came out really pretty, really nice. He's gonna murder her out and put some police tires on. It's gonna look really good when it's done. And we're gonna shout out to the, you say it here. You say it, come on. The Mr. Wieners, man. The Mr. Wieners is a group he follows. If you guys get the joke, if you don't comment, then he'll comment what he means. Anyways, there it is. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Perfect. See, told you the videos should give you justice. Don't give them justice. They give you an idea, but then you have to perfect it when you get the person. That sounds so good. It looks really good too, guys. Check that out, that's clean. Chevy Tahoe. There's sound decibels. Again. Right at 100, so it's perfect. It's not gonna drone too much. There's the muffler. There's the resonator and tailpipe we cut off. Right there, guys. Cool. Add our sticker on it too. Let you guys hear on the inside. sucker's clean. I like it. Oh yeah, that sounds so good. Black Widow. Perfect. Enjoy, guys. 2018 Cadillac Escalade. Really beautiful car. What we got done on it, still got stock converters there and there. Then secondary, and then it wise into a single right there. Then it's got the dreaded third cat. And then what we put on it is a massive bolt-on kit by Corsa. Corsa exhaust, single exhaust. There's the Corsa muffler. It's huge, but it's made to not, as you guys can see from my hand, it's huge. It's made not to drone. So that's what Corsa is known for. So there's the muffler right there. See if I can back it up. Oh, it won't let me. And then there's the tailpipe. It's the all 3-inch system. Out the back into a dual tip right there. As you guys can see, still got the plastic on it. We'll take that off in a second. There it is. And then the part number is 14826. We'll see if we can get you a link in the description for it. That's the kit. And this is everything we cut off. There's the muffler, flex pipe, and tailpipe and tip. And replace it with that Corsa system right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Corsa system. Wow, it's not bad at all. I love the look of it too. Sound decibels, go ahead. Again. The sound decibels are like 101. It's not bad. Wow, I like that. You know what? I might get that for my ramp. I like it. It's not too much, it's just perfect.
Well, it looks good too.
Yeah. Because I don't want drone inside, man. That's my biggest thing.
Yeah, that's why I did it. No drone.
There's everything we cut off, guys. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. I think it's going to be awesome. So you guys see, you will see the transformation. He started with the exhaust. There's the exhaust. Hopefully you get on it.